how to add the music bot to your Discord server. So we're going to go ahead and go into a search engine such as Google Chrome, and then you want to type in top.gg. And you can see this option says Discord bot. So you want to click on this website right over here. Next, you want to go to the search bar, and then you want to type in the music bot's name, which is going to be Greenbot. Click on enter. As you can see, this is going to be it, the Greenbot. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Greenbot. And all you have to do is go ahead and click on the invite button right over here. And that's going to lead you to the authorization page where you want to select the server. So we're going to go ahead and add it to our own server. Click on continue. And you can see that these are all the checks and things that you can do. Go ahead and mess around with that. And then just click on the authorize button. It's going to have this pop-up that wants you to confirm that you are a human and you're not a robot. So it's going to go ahead and click on that. Now it's a success. Greenbot has been authorized and added to Solvex's server. Amazing. So now you want to go back into your Discord server. And then in your page, you want to simply just say *help. Now if you scroll up, you can see that Greenbot says that to get started, you want to join a voice channel and then use /play. So I'm going to go ahead and join a voice channel. Join voice. So now we have joined a voice channel. So then we're going to go back into our general and type in /play. And then you want to select the first option. Over it, you want to click on query. And then I just want to type in the song that you want to play. So this could be any song. God's Plan by Drake. And now the song has been playing. And just like that, you have added the bot.